Ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, our cities and communities are where we live, work and learn, and where we can best contribute to the achievement of peace and sustainable development. Learning cities around the world are advancing in the promotion of education and lifelong learning for all, and are making huge strides on behalf of their citizens towards the Sustainable Development Goals and Agenda 2030. The interest is huge, but it can be difficult to know where to begin. How are learning cities built? Which stakeholders should be on board and how? What role does celebration play? And what does it mean to make learning truly accessible? On behalf of UNESCO, I am pleased to launch a series of animated video tutorials that provide answers to these and many other questions crucial to building a learning city. Learning cities are really drivers of change. I hope that many more communities around the world will become learning cities and contribute to achieving the vision of universal lifelong access to quality education and learning opportunities. How close is your city to becoming a learning city, and how can you build on what you have achieved to date? Please watch these extremely useful and engaging UNESCO video tutorials on how to build a learning city.